You say you want one too?
Yeah, let me have one. You got your camera?
Yeah.
It's on.
I'm not drunk. I haven't had anything to drink.
Come on, you're gonna be public drunk. Come on.
I haven't had anything.
I can smell it on you.
No, you can give me bring your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer.
So what?
Ah! Bring out your breathalyzer. Bring out your breathalyzer.
Grab her.
Ah! Get out of me!
Now you better get charged.
Get out of me!
Now you better get charged. Oh, she slipped out. Oh. Brianna, you don't walk. Grab her.
Ah! Get out of me! Get out of me! Get out of me! Get out of me! I ain't broke no law. I ain't broke no law. Get out of me!
Yeah, lock.
Get out of me!
There we go. It's on lock.
I bet you I hang myself as soon as I get in there. I bet you I hang myself as soon as I get in there. I don't care. It's more than one way to kill yourself. I know what you told me. It's more than one way to kill yourself. Yeah.
Brianna, get up and walk.
No.
Come on.
Y'all better knock me out. And I got a flint, a sting in my heart.
Come on, Brianna.
No, why my brother?
Hold up. I know how to get her up.
Take me. You can take me. You can take me. I don't care. I don't care.
Get up.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Ain't nobody gonna tell you.
I don't care. 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 I don't care.
You got it outside closed? Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
What you got?
My damn Bluetooth.
Huh?
My Bluetooth. That thing on my ear. It should be flash. Let's see that shit. Alright, anyway, he said, what now?
You done head back up that ditch.
I don't know, it fell out when we were pulling around here somewhere. Damn. Can't breathe me down, man. They're back here somewhere. They're back here somewhere. And shit. I ain't gonna worry about it. Alright, now what you just saying about that light?
No, I just said you said flashing.
Yeah, it should be a little black thing with a little blue light flash. Oh, you know what? It ain't gonna be flash because you went off. I think of it. Oh, you know it. Nice, yeah. Oh, there you go, right there.
What?
Right there, back tire.
Alright. Okay, will your dome light come on in back there?
Yeah.
Cut your light in sight, keep out.
Alright.
Call them out.
Alright. 287 Hancock.
Hancock 287.
Both units gonna be en route to the SO, one female 1095. The getting mileage gonna be 146,211.
Airport starting mileage 146,211 0058.
Brianna. Hell yeah. We don't need ambulance. Brianna. Brianna. That shit unlocked by itself. You won't call the ambulance.
She's still breathing. Go ahead.
287 Hancock.
She getting up. How your back door?
Hancock 27.
Send Greta to their location.
She alright. Sit up. Sit up.
10-4.
Sit up. Sit up. Go ahead, sit up.
You need to check out.
Yeah. She jumped out the car.
That female just jumped out the vehicle.
10-4.
Let's take the cuffs off. Take the cuffs off. Sit her up. Sit up. Sit up, Brianna. You all right? You got some water?
No, hell no. Let me get here you go. I can't see shit now.
Go ahead.
I'm getting in 1018. 287 Hancock. Send Greta to 1018. You want to take on?
Yeah. How did she jump out the car? Don't supposed to be unlocked from the back.
Shit, ain't supposed
We
to.
just do a report. She fine.
Wow.
She fine. You got your light?
No. Yeah. $37 Hancock. Have Greta come in from Hickory Grove side off Show Road.
Yeah, she can see my finger. She just doggone which car. How your back door open? But that's we write a report and just say, you know, like you said, you got it hot. Back door open. We gonna trust, you know. But we good. We good. Just keep it check. Brianna.
Oh.
She fine. Yeah, she fine. She breathing. Brianna. Come on, this Deputy Prime. Come on.
I ain't got nothing in the car, no water, no
Don't
nothing.
worry about it. She fine. Hold, I got a little bit. Hold it right here. Hold it right here. I got a little bit water. I just give her
Brown. I really couldn't tell, but I don't think so. I really couldn't tell, but I don't believe so, though. I don't know.